A very good morning. Today I am with Mr. Sandeep Kumar from Indo-Count Foundation in Delhi at the Mahatma Awards ceremony. A very, very warm welcome to you, Sandeep ji. Many congratulations on winning the Mahatma Award. How are you feeling today?
Oh, this is a wonderful feeling. You know, one is that this is an award by name of Mahatma Gandhi. And this reflects a lot of value attached to it. And so getting this award makes a lot of sense to me as well as my organization, as we are trying to work out a lot of good work to improve the condition of people in different parts of the country.
Wonderful. What kind of social impact initiative your organization is making? We would like to know everything in detail.
So a larger part of our program is focusing around our plants, which is in Kolhapur district of Maharashtra. And so almost in 110 odd villages, we are covering through our health van, the health program, which with the outreach, which is taking care of a lot of people. In fact, so till date we have covered more than 4 lakh people in this thing. Then we have also improved a lot of the health condition of the government hospital in Kolhapur district, because we always wanted to support and supplement the government efforts, and that's where we have made a lot of big effort, a lot of investment, and this has resulted because all the thing has gone into the roots. Now if you improve that root, the tree will automatically improve, right? So that's a focus of ours, and that's how we have been doing, and it has really changed the scenario there, because a civil hospital which was in a different shape altogether is now competing with best of the corporate hospital in that area. And people are ready to come and take the services of this hospital, because we have improved those facilities properly, with all the major best equipment in the world, invested a lot of money in this, and this has really changed the scenario. So we are working on both these fronts. So one is improve the condition of government's hospital or the health delivery system, as well as do the outreach where people are not being able to reach. So both ends. So this has really helped in a big way. That's one. Second is we're also working with farmers. Farmer being the main contributor in the textile industry, the main stakeholder, and we have been able to work with them to improve their income through developing a proper sense of doing cotton cultivation, which forms the basis of textile industry. So if they are better, if their income is improving, the textile industry will also improve. So that's how that scenario is.
Very, very beautiful. So my final question, what are your views on Gandhiji?
I have been, right from my childhood, it's been bringing a lot of inspiration all the way, in fact, all through. And I was fortunate to study in Ahmedabad. So I used to go regularly to, ashram there, and Sevagram ashram also in Varda. So I've visited quite a number of times. So it's always, the moment, and I also take my kids there just to get an inspiration, because you have to feel that, nothing more than words and all. It's more important to get that feeling there. And once you feel that, you'll see that a lot of things that he used to talk about, or he has given, inputs in terms of his preachings. These all makes a lot of sense even today, and it's relevant for tomorrow also. So all these things, all these values needs to be carried through generation to next generation, which at least I am trying to do with my kids, and I expect that this has to happen with many other kids, because that's how we'll carry that Gandhism to the next generation, which is very important.
Thank you so much, and many congratulations on winning the Mahatma Award. Thank you.